Alright, the goal here is to remove these butterfly bushes. There's two on this side, and then there's two over on this side. So we're going to remove those and transplant them, and then we're going to put in some boxwoods and some salvia, and then we're going to leave these here. These are hostas, and we're going to leave those, and we're going to leave this little bush, but then we're going to try and clean up all these weeds too. So here's the final product. We got the boxwoods in the back, the salvias up front, kept our big hosta here, and then this bush here, which I'm not sure what it is. We eventually want to put something in the middle between them. Had to figure out what to do with that pile of rocks still. And on the other side, it's the same thing. So boxwoods and the salvia. And then we even took it around the edge here. And then basically this will be some more garden space. There's some hostas that are going to pop up eventually. That's basically it. So this will get bigger eventually, and it'll fill out. So that's the project. Thanks for watching.